Oh, today's the day. I got the man here. Yeah. Go check out Dillard Tune. He's about to put another Dillard Dyno tune on here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. So this here, we're just gonna find out what it makes. Try to keep this video as short and sweet as possible and get all the good stuff in it. But we're getting ready to do a motor pull. Gonna throw some fresh plugs in, or some test plugs, and then we'll hit it on the spray and see what happens. Yeah. Which run is mine? The last one? Yeah. On the bottom?
Purple.
So the very bottom one? Oh, that's horrible!
Can we clear out the other run?
327, 317 torque. What the, was that fourth or fifth?
That was fourth.
Oh, okay. So it might read better in fifth, maybe?
Yeah.
Damn. Hold up.
Breaking up a little bit. Yeah, I think it's pulling. Probably pulling a vacuum. It probably has an intake.
Damn.
It's got a restriction. It's probably the stock manifold.
Yeah, probably. Well, that was a little underwhelming. Now we got 2 degrees now. $325. Make it last.
Probably getting a little heat soaked too.
Yeah. Motherfucker's loud.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it lost. It lost. Yeah.
It's getting so heat soaked.
Yeah. Well.
I mean, that's still pretty impressive. Top 3.
All right, 5th gear pull. What'd it do?
317.
Oh, but it's all, so it's about the same?
It's all right there together.
Okay. So I guess it's reading about the same in fourth and fifth. Fuck it.
That's either tire or
Probably tire.
yeah.
More than likely.
I've seen where tires kind of they're real out of balance, unless you got a whole lot of power. Like pulls in fourth it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was starting to. It was getting worse. Like I got over about 140, and it was starting to vibrate real bad.
Yeah. I guess it don't make a difference between fourth and fifth, so we're doing fourth.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna spray it. You pull that timing back out. You pull the timing back out. Power, 574 torque. God damn, that's torquey. Alright, swap for a fresh bottle. Put a smaller jet in it. Because the plate's restricting it. We think it might pick up with a smaller jet. We're just going to find out. We're going to throw a little timing at it and see what happens. Sound better? Huh?
I don't think it sounded healthy. 511, yeah.
511?
Yeah.
It's just, or 507. It lost a little bit, just a hair. You think we should throw a 200 jet in and see what it does?
It's just the way the grass is a little jaggedy right there.
Yeah.
It's just like, it's negligible.
Did you change anything with the fuel?
No, I didn't change anything. The fuel jet, we stopped at like a 200.
That fuel jet set up for that jet.
Like a 200?
It lost a few horse. One torque. Did you add any timing? Oh, so we can still add timing. Hell yeah. Yeah. Just leave that jet in.
Sounded way better.
515, is that what it says? 595 torque, god damn. It's a fucking torque monster.
513.
Yeah.
586.
Oh wait, is that?
You're right here.
Oh, 513, 586. Why did it say 90 something a second ago?
So you're limited by the intake of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put that 98 kit.
No.
Buy
yeah.
a good $5 kit, $5 or an NX kit, and maybe we'll experiment with it.
Yeah. Well, damn, my car's slow. That's all right. It's gonna get a turbo. Right there. Right there. Just motivation to actually fucking do it. Yeah, our jets are kind of fucked up, so we're playing with those. That's the
It's a
200 next.
78 and a 99.
Focus. Oh, there you go. Yeah,
I mean, something's not right there.
I know. It's the little button by the e-brake. Hell yeah.
Dude, that one tube chip is tire almost got down in the fucking frame of the
That kind of scared me, but I'm like,
Yeah, fuck it. Boy, what's your YouTube channel?
Dillard Tune,
Dillard Tune, baby. Make sure you go subscribe. Hell yeah. My man, I appreciate you, bro.
Shit, man.
Hell yeah, dude.
Well, Saturday, drink a brew or two, tune a friend's car.
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, this Jason's the man, dude. He's put so much fucking time into this car.
We have fun.
Hell yeah, dude.
we made it happen.
Yeah.
Great for the turbo, boy.
Yeah, we are. For sure now. Now that I know it don't make nearly as much as I thought it was going to. It's alright though. We're gonna stick a little Chinese war whistle in there. And we're gonna keep
About
it
an
shot.
extra 200, 250 horsepower.
Yeah. Yeah. And we'll keep, 100, 200 shot on it. Something like that. It'll be alright. So, well, that's our numbers for the day. Yeah, that's all of them. That's NA and with the nitrous pools. That's our graph. That's what Miata Khalifa made. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Later, y'all.